Have you ever imagined a car that doesn't just move you from one place to another, but actually makes every drive an event? The 2027 Toyota Camry is precisely that, a perfect blend of luxury, power, technology, and refined design. Today, we're going to explore every detail of this stunning vehicle. From its aggressive exterior to its meticulously crafted interior, its performance capabilities, and the innovative technology that makes it truly stand out in its class. From the moment you see it, the 2027 Camry commands attention. Its polished, glossy dark red exterior isn't just beautiful, it's magnetic. But what really turns heads is the dramatic wide-body kit. The exaggerated fender flares extend outward in an almost surreal width, giving the Camry an imposing, commanding presence that seems to fill the road. The front bumper is a masterpiece of design, integrating enormous sharp-edged air intakes and bold, aerodynamic canards that make the car look ready for a high-speed track while maintaining the elegance expected from a luxury sedan. The sporty grille, adorned with the iconic Toyota Camry logo, perfectly complements the sculpted hood, while the custom license plate, proudly reading Toyota Camry, adds a personal, exclusive touch. Every line, every contour has been carefully sculpted to convey both elegance and aggression, making a statement even when standing still. As you move along the sides, the Camry's full story unfolds. The exaggerated fender flares blend seamlessly with the wide-body kit, creating a dynamic silhouette that is both aggressive and elegant. Massive alloy wheels with intricate designs sit perfectly inside the widened arches, paired with off-road tires that hint at the car's capability and robustness. The tinted windows add sophistication, while subtle chrome accents and glossy black detailing emphasize its high-tech persona. Right side, left side, or three-quarters angles, every perspective of this car highlights a balance of art and engineering. It's a sedan, yes, but it feels like a statement piece, like a luxury sports car in disguise. Step inside, and the experience elevates immediately. The cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Premium leather seats cradle you in comfort while offering perfect support for long journeys. Ambient lighting sets a sophisticated tone, reflecting off meticulously finished surfaces to create a sense of calm and refinement. The dashboard is dominated by a high-tech, highly responsive touchscreen infotainment system with integrated navigation, voice commands, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Every control, knob, and button has been designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring convenience without sacrificing style. The Toyota Camry logo on the steering wheel reminds you that you're in a vehicle that represents both heritage and modernity. Subtle details, the stitching on the seats, the brushed metal trim, and the premium quality finishes reflect a level of craftsmanship that is rare in this segment. Under the hood, the 2027 Camry balances performance and efficiency seamlessly. You have the option of a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration, yet remains smooth and refined for city commuting. For those who value sustainability and fuel economy, the hybrid variant combines the engine with electric motors, offering excellent mileage without compromising on performance. The suspension system is fine-tuned for a comfortable yet responsive ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections effortlessly while maintaining precise handling. Steering is sharp and confident, giving you control whether you're navigating tight urban streets or sweeping highway curves. This is a Camry designed to be fun, yet practical. Moving to the rear, the design remains equally impressive. The sculpted rear bumper, integrated diffuser, and illuminated Toyota Camry logo create a visual statement that's aggressive and elegant. The trunk offers generous space, making the sedan practical for daily life, weekend trips, or longer journeys. Whether you're looking at it from a low rear three-quarters angle, straight-on rear view, or full 360-degree rotation, every curve, flare, and detail conveys power, sophistication, and exclusivity, But what really sets the 2027 Camry apart is how it balances extremes. It's aggressive without being overwhelming, luxurious without being ostentatious, technologically advanced without being complicated. Safety is at the forefront with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking, ensuring every journey is secure. Meanwhile, drive modes allow you to choose between efficiency, comfort, or a sportier, more exhilarating drive, tailoring the experience to your exact mood. The Camry is not just a car. It's a lifestyle statement. Imagine arriving at a high-profile event, a business meeting, or a social gathering in this striking vehicle. The glossy red finish, the exaggerated fender flares, and the aggressive, sculpted lines immediately draw attention. Inside, the cabin offers a personal sanctuary, combining luxury, technology, and comfort, ensuring that every passenger experiences the journey in style. Even at rest, the Camry exudes character, its wide stance, aggressive front and rear styling, and meticulously crafted design elements make it a piece of automotive art. Technology is another arena where the Camry shines. Beyond its infotainment and connectivity features, it offers heads-up displays, customizable ambient lighting, premium audio systems, wireless charging, and intelligent climate control, making the driving experience seamless and enjoyable. Every journey becomes less about the destination and more about the experience. In conclusion, the 2027 Toyota Camry is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. From its striking, sculpted exterior and ultra-wide stance to its luxurious, high-tech interior, refined performance, and advanced safety systems, it redefines what a modern sedan can be. It combines elegance, sportiness, technology, and practicality in a way few competitors can match. Whether you're a technology enthusiast, a style-conscious driver, or someone who values comfort and reliability, this Camry caters to all, making it a car for everyone who desires more from their driving experience. So, if you're ready to transform your daily commute into a statement, to make every journey memorable, and to experience the perfect harmony of luxury, performance, and innovation, the 2027 Toyota Camry is ready for you. Step inside, ignite the engine, and discover a car that doesn't just move you, it elevates you.